For this next question, again we'll see an image and there will be a few questions that will be asked related to the image. So what is the picture about? So we see this picture over here, and obviously we see humans that are developing, and not only humans, the brain also developing. So it is about the changes in the development of the human brain. Second question is, what does the picture of the last man indicate to us and what was he called? So we see in the last man, the brain size is the largest, which means he is the wisest man, he is the most intelligent man, and he is called as the Homo sapien. So the picture of the last man indicates that the man is the wisest of all the brain. It is most developed as compared to the entire brains over here, and is called as the Homo sapien species, which is the species that we belong to. How did the changes happen from the first man to the last man as shown in the picture? Now obviously these changes were very gradual. They do not happen overnight. They happened over thousands of years of evolution. Our human ancestors, they started taking up different tasks, like the task of making fire, agriculture, right, rearing cattle, and all these activities needed a lot of coordination between not only our own body, between different human beings. We needed to communicate, for which our brain size started to develop. So let's have a look at the answer over here. Evolution of the upright man continued in the direction of developing its brain 20 lakh years ago up to this age. So 20 lakh year ago, this development of the brain size happened, until this date it has happened. And it was multi-dimensional. It happened with respect to so many different things. Like we discussed, many discoveries were made, like fire, the practice of agriculture, as we discussed, rearing cattle herds, establishing different cities. All this happened approximately 10,000 years ago. Then the art of writing was also developed, right? Cultural development and the art of writing developed about 5,000 years ago. Then we set up industries, right? There was development in science. All this happened approximately 400 to 200 years ago. Modern science and industrial societies developed in recently, which is 200 to 400 years ago. So this is how our brain development has taken place.